Welcome to YouTube Necromancy 101. Today, we're going to talk about resurrecting a dead gaming channel. There are a lot of ways that you can kill a channel, but the most common issue is that you just don't upload any videos for a long time. Or when you do come back and upload another video, it gets like 10 views and you get frustrated, and then you don't upload again for another 6 months. It's okay, I've been there. But now you want it back, and here's how to do it. So step 1 is to identify any existing videos that are generating views. So on this demo channel, we have a lot of views that are coming from these Pixelmon tutorials, about 2,700 out of the 4,400 monthly views. These videos all share a very common theme, which we call a bucket. And that theme is a basic explainer video for this particular game. Other buckets could be things like funny moments, PvP matches, cool builds, that kind of stuff. And it's important to identify this because step 2 is to create another video in that same bucket. And that's because if our viewers are still actively watching these older videos, it means that there's still an interested audience with a problem that we can help them solve. And so the easiest video to make would then be like a 2022 update, since the main video that's driving this traffic is 6 years old. Step 3 is to review the analytics of that video, and we're looking for 2 specific things. First, we want to look at the retention graph, and we want to find any spikes or dips. Spikes means that people really liked that part and then watched it again, and dips mean that they lost interest and they left the video to watch something else. So include more of whatever the spikes were and avoid or fix whatever the dips were. The other thing that we need to do is we need to read through as many of the comments as possible. We're looking for people asking questions, which you can include in your next video, complaints, or things that they thank you for or compliment you for doing. What we're trying to do, the goal, is to better understand what that viewer needs and wants, and then make sure that we can improve upon that in our next video. Step 4 is to create and upload that video. Now, I've already talked a lot about what goes into the video, so we'll jump straight to uploading it. It's really important that the video has a very similar title and thumbnail. We want the viewers to immediately recognize that these videos are related, and that they should watch this new video next. We also want to link the new video wherever possible, so your cards, your end screen, your description, your pinned comments. We need to make it as easy as possible for people watching the old video to then go and watch the new video. And then step 5 is the hardest part. You have to continue uploading videos consistently, which I'd recommend at least once per week, for the next 90 days. Now, YouTube likes working in 90-day cycles, and doing this gives YouTube enough time to process all the viewer data and to update your channel and its audience. And it helps to continue uploading more videos in that same bucket, or at least a very similar bucket, because it's going to keep your viewers coming back and engaged. And you won't have as much success if you upload a Minecraft mod tutorial like what I'm doing, and then you upload a Call of Duty kill montage, and then a mobile game review, and then a vlog, and then a skit. Just keep it focused. And if we can maintain that consistency, we will start to see growth on that channel again. Now, there's one last question that we need to answer, and that is, what do we do if the channel's not getting any views? Now, the answer to this is actually kind of complicated, and what I recommend that you do is that you join my Discord so we can look at it together and come to a conclusion. Sometimes the channel is worth saving, sometimes it's not. There's a lot of factors and there's a lot of things that contribute to that, and so really the best thing to do is to look it over together and kind of see where it lands. So, if you want to do that, you'll find a link to the Discord in my pinned comments. Come over and say hi. There's about 40 of us talking about YouTube channel growth and monetization in there all the time. But that'll do it for me. See you guys in game. Bye.